The Jade Circle for me is a network of support and healing, and it's a wonderful way of connecting with myself, with my own sexuality, my inner body. It changed my life in the sense that it has given me a structure that I can easily apply in my life in order to access my energy, heal my body and my emotions. And I love the egg, which is a wonderful object that and Anamarta has been great in explaining how it is, as she uses the word, a talisman and a tool and a talisman, and how the egg is such an extraordinary object. I like sleeping with it sometimes when I need some grounding and I need some support, even when I don't do the practices. It's a really lovely way of connecting with, and I think to me it's a lot of Mother Earth. Yes, it really grounds me and centers me in my feminine, and I'm very grateful that I found Anamarta and her circle. A new understanding of the possibilities of my body. It opens doors for my expression, for feeling. It actually increases my feeling in all dimensions, not only physically, but it enhances the way that I am able to sense life and emotions. It's a wonderful tool for my intimacy, but also for my relationship with the world.